Ever wonder why you spend on ads but still don't know which ones really bring results? Let me show you how Synalyt fixes that. At the top we have ad channels, Google Ads, Meta Ads, QR codes, even offline campaigns with links, basically anywhere you advertise your project. Now the project, your website. Here you install the Synalyt script directly into the code, right before the closing body tag. This script tracks key events: phone clicks, WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber actions, form submissions, page view, or clicks on specific elements by ID or class. Each link must have a unique get parameter generated inside Synalyt. That's the key. Without it, the system will not register user actions on your website. And here is the real value Synalyt gives you. Advertising channel efficiency analysis, see which channel performs best. Channel attribution, follow the full customer journey from the first touch to the sale. Bot detection, identify fake clicks. IP identification and global rating. Know who visited and from where. Refer page tracking, discover the exact page a user came from. Conversion Geo Data, see where your buyers are located. User device identification, understand which devices your audience uses. Instead of guessing, Synalyt gives you a clearer picture of your advertising performance. That's how you make smarter decisions and stop wasting money.